I'm going to share with you some of my best tips when it comes to scheduling social media content for your real estate business. And I'm going to share my screen in a moment and share some of my best tips for using Buffer, one of my favorite tools when it comes to scheduling social media content. Stay with me. My name is Tharmila Rajasingam. I'm a real estate marketer, real estate agent with eXp Realty, and I'm also a kvCORE peer coach with Inside Real Estate. And I talk about everything on this channel: real estate marketing, lead generation, kvCORE, CRM systems, name it. I talk about it here. And this is your first time coming, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to get updates on more content like this. And if you have any question at all about anything that I share on this video, make sure you leave it in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you're looking to work with me, partner with me, all the information in the description below. So let's get started. And I'm going to share my screen in a moment and walk you through some of my favorite tips, like I mentioned, on Buffer. But before I do that, I wanted to mention a couple of things. I love this tool so much because you can go ahead and schedule your content in for months to come, weeks to come, and they go on a lot of platforms. They go on Instagram, LinkedIn, you can post on Facebook, and I love this platform for that reason. You could post videos on YouTube and so much more. And so this tool is really, it's kind of like having a social media manager, and you can take literally a fraction of the time. You could spend maybe an hour or two a month and schedule an entire worth of content. And this is amazing. And I'm just showing you my Instagram right here. I even post directly on LinkedIn and so much more. I'm going to go directly into the back end of my Buffer account and share with you some of my favorite tips for using Buffer. And as you can see here, a lot of my content I use this heavily, and a lot of the content is scheduled in. And anything that I do come up with on the cuff, either daily or weekly, they show up here as well. So it's being tracked, the amount of content that I post. So any of my virtual assistant who used to post on my social media in the past, they can go in here and really follow along. And what I love about this system is built in a way they can post content, leave it as draft for you to go and approve. So I love that about this platform. One of the things that I want to mention is, obviously people always ask me is, how much is it? So right off the bat, I just wanted to share this with you. The link is in the description if you want to click on it and go check Buffer out. And as you can see here, it is free. You can have up to 3 channels. You can connect it for free. And I've started using it like that. And of course, if you're a brand new agent, you do not need to post on all sorts of channels. And obviously, as you can see here, you could post on a number of different channels, including Instagram, Facebook, even Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, LinkedIn, and even TikTok and Google My Business, which I also leverage to help you with the SEO. So I would recommend choosing a couple of those and consistently posting and leveraging a little bit of long form and short form content. And I'm going to share with you how I do that. And obviously, my audience is a little bit different. Of course, I work with investors, buyers, seller clients, but I also work with realtors like you, where this channel is about. And I attract agents, I grow my team. So my audience is a little bit different, but that's why I also built with one of my business partner, Jacob Sharman. I built this platform called Karuvi.social, which is specifically meant for you, real estate agents. I give you content. Literally, my business partner and I hand built this. Everything in here was hand designed by me, and our strategy we give you to help you build your business. So if you're looking for content of what to post on Buffer, you can leverage Karuvi. You can come here, literally take the content, go to strategy, copy and paste the content into Buffer. But guess what? What I love about Buffer so much, right off the bat, I'm going to show you, they have AI built in, just like ChatGPT. So if you don't want to leverage Groovy, you don't want to leverage ChatGPT because there's another site and you have to come back and copy and paste, you can literally click new post here, create a new post, and you can use the AI assistant. And it could be easy as this. Watch this. I put a prompt in here. You can say, help write a post for home buyers and giving them best tips for the spring market, and it will help generate a post. And sometimes, depending on the prompt, how you ask, yeah, my prompt might not be the greatest. You can add a little bit more information. I'm keeping it super simple just to show you how it works. You could come here and look at the content. If you don't like it, you want to edit, you want to ask to shorten it, and then it'll rewrite it for you. And then all you have to do is press insert. I didn't even read it. So again, I'm not suggesting this is the best thing, but I'm showing you how it works. And look at that. You can come here and quickly add an image. Maybe you want to add a quick headshot for you. And then you can go ahead and customize for each of your network. And then you can go to add it to queue. You can share right away. You can schedule the post for a later date, which is what I've done on my calendar. Or even a better yet, one of my favorite tip is you can save it as a draft, especially if you just have a ton of different ideas and you want to put it in, when you want to take another time to go in and really schedule in the post, you can do that. And why I love this feature so much, the saving draft, is you can get a virtual assistant to schedule all of your posts for you. And especially if a virtual assistant doesn't have a background in real estate, they can leverage a platform like Social or even the AI. But especially sometimes even the AI, a lot of agents, they don't even know what to write in there. And that's why a marketer like me or a strategist come in, and you can leverage Karobi, which the work has been done for you. And I literally built this platform, and I give you content every single day of the month. You can go to previous month, next month, you have content literally on autopilot done for you. So you can leverage a platform like that. And my other recommendation with this system is you can come here, and I'm going to quickly just save as draft, and we'll come back to this. And the other thing that I love about this system so much is that you can choose again different channels. You can come here, a click of a button, connect all of the channels to this, and it's super easy. As you can see here, you can click on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google My Business profile, and a lot of other platforms don't do this. Only very select ones do this, where you can post onto multiple platform channels with different accounts. So, for example, I'm posting because I love LinkedIn so much, and I've gotten business from LinkedIn. But there's obviously a smart ways to use LinkedIn, and for me, I love, and especially for me, I want to get people onto my YouTube channel because I have a lot of followers on all these platforms, but they may not be the best place where they're engaging with me. I might not get a lot of comments or likes, but I want to bring them back to my long form content, which is what's really giving me a lot of my business, which is my YouTube. And I have a number of YouTube channels, as you can see here, one for my real estate investing business with my husband. The other one is for realtors, the one you're on right now. And then other training channels as well. So my recommendation is come here and you can add multi-channel. So I have few channels that I'm posting to directly: my business channel on LinkedIn, my personal LinkedIn, as well as my husband's LinkedIn. So, and then obviously our Google My Business and my Facebook and my Instagram. So you can come in here and add a couple of different accounts here, and you can go ahead and do that, which is going to help you and get you in front of other people. And like as you can see here, I'm posting to multiple accounts with a click of a button. And what I love this so much is you can have a long form content like YouTube and come here and share your YouTube video. You could post a reel, you could post videos, you could post photos and content like this, and write a little story, and is assisting you and helping you with this content as well. And the other thing you can look at is, one of the tip is, you can look at the post on a weekly basis. You can drag and drop, you can bring them closer to each other. Maybe you want to bring it back to posting at a certain time, so people are expecting the same content all the time at the same time. And you can also come in and view them depending on the channel. Maybe you don't want to post everything on Instagram all the time. Maybe you want to space it out. Maybe you, like, as you can see here, these images, these are videos, so I don't post them directly onto Instagram. And sometimes I do, and sometimes I only want to post all my YouTube channel and YouTube videos to my LinkedIn. So you can do that as well. So you can pick and choose which content goes on which channel. So you're really getting the best out of what these channels were meant to do, and this platform. And which is why these are some of my favorite tips, because you can, on a bird's eye view, see what is coming up, what you have really what you have scheduled in. And the other thing that I want to share with you is, if you've done a post and you want to reshare it again onto another platform, you can come here and click share again and get into another platform. So this is made really, is so versatile and flexible. And as you can see here, if I were to write a content in here, I can click and choose which platform I don't want to post to. So as I mentioned, if I just wanted to post one of my YouTube channel, I could come here and click on which of the platform that I want to share this to. And as you can see here, have I've been sharing some of my videos here. This is one of my YouTube videos from my YouTube channel. So I'm going to come here and click the title, and let's say I wanted to add the link to this as well, and I can now go ahead and share this video. But obviously I don't want to share it on my Instagram because I don't have an image that's sized for Instagram. So maybe I want to share it on Facebook, my LinkedIn and Google My Business, I can go ahead and customize for each network now. And then I can come here to my Google My Business. I can click on to use this image as the photo. And it's going to show me a preview right here of what the post would look like. And obviously, I'm posting to 3 different LinkedIn, so it's not going to repeat all of them because that's what they're going to look like. And then I can come here and save to draft, and I can add to queue. And here, again, I wanted to go ahead and show my image or add a thumbnail. I can go ahead and replace the image and add that. The other thing that I love about this platform so much is that I'm going to show this to you. So if you go to create a post, and let's say, remember how I was mentioning, oh, I don't want to post this on Instagram because it's not correctly sized and I want it to appear perfectly on my feed, and you have an image you want to add, you can come here, write your post, and then you can come right here and click on one of the other tools. You can access your Google Drive where your photos might be saved. Maybe it's in Canva, maybe it's in your Google Photos. And Canva, you can click directly on from Buffer and connect it to Canva. It's going to open up. Look, I'm not even touching it. And you can come here, click on an image that you recently uploaded. Let's say one of my recent posts that I've done. You can come here, select the image. I can make it a little bit bigger. I can make it a bit smaller. And maybe there's another image that I wanted to do, and you can drag it, and crop it according to how you want it to have this post appear. And you can write a text on it, really edit this photo to fit the image, and you can click add to buffer, and it's going to add an image to buffer the attachment. And you've done the work without having to leave buffer platform. Again, one of the greatest thing about buffer is I love that you can do that and connect to Canva. Not a lot of platform does that, and you can do that for a fraction of the price. And of course, as I mentioned, I pay $60 yearly per channel because I have multiple channels included. And if you want to get a quote, you can literally add the number of channels here. You could check to see how much yearly or monthly, especially if you're going above the 3 channel. As if it's free, you can click 3 and it's free. You don't have to pay for anything. But if you want to go above 3, then it's going to show you how much it's going to cost per each channel, yearly or monthly. So I highly recommend you check this out, and you click on the link below. I do have an affiliate link, which I get a small portion and just an introduction for sharing the buffer, and you can get more people on this channel. But again, if you like this platform, let me know. I love to share more tips with you. I just wanted to lightly touch on this because of how important and how fascinating this platform is, and how it's been helping me really schedule months worth of content with a fraction of time. And I want to share that with you. And because it's paired so well with my kvCORE platform, I wanted to be able to share that as well. If you wanted to get access to it, all the information is in the description below. If you want to partner with me, work with me, and get access to kvCORE for free, all the information is in the description below. Yes, you get absolutely free access to kvCORE. Every single content in here, it's fully free access. And also you get access to my team dashboard, which I talk about on this channel as well, about everything that you get access to and all the training when you join our group. And once again, I hope this was interesting and it was helpful for you. If it was, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Give that and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, get updates on more content like this, because I'm always diving deeper and deeper into all the content that's going to help you grow your business. Once again, I'll see you next time.